food in the room.
Okay, we made it back to our pool area during the Imelda tropical storm in Galveston. We're under we're actually at the swim up bar. As you can see, there's little seats down here, but the bartender's not here right now. But it doesn't look like there ever is a bartender here. You can just bring your own beer or alcohol, and no lifeguard. So we're on our own. You know,
It's kind of scary.
really scary.
And I'm ready to jump in.
Well, you can't because you get your plastic bag all wet.
But I got another one.
Okay.
And I can go put my swimsuit on.
And we're staying at the very top up there in that corner apartment up there.
And guess what? We got a dryer in our room.
Oh yeah.
So guess what, Bruce?
So this is pretty calm since we're behind the seawall. Earlier we were out on the seawall.
Guess what, Bruce?
And Robin wanted to get down in the water, and I told her no.
And guess what? Guess what, Bruce?
Anyway, this is it.
Oh,
Signing off.
Wait. No, look at the little frog. Look at the little frog.
There we go. Signing off. Froggy signing off. Bye.
Okay, Bruce.